Traxxas has just unveiled the Traxxas TRX4M Ranger XLT edition, and while I haven't had the chance to get my hands on one yet, rest assured I'll be aiming to do so soon. I wanted to get this video out to give you an overview of the model and share my thoughts. It's not surprising given the success of the Bronco, Defender, Chevrolet, that Traxxas has released a new mini crawler. This is essentially a scaled down version of the 1/10 scale Ranger released about 8 months ago. What's intriguing about the TRX4M High Trail Ranger is the striking hardbody, available in 3 distinct colors: blue, brown, and black. Personally, I'm leaning towards the black one. Hopefully Traxxas will release more color options just as they did with the Bronco and Defender. The Ranger will be available for in-store pickup October 27th. In terms of components, it leverages several existing components of the TRX4M. This includes the straight axles, GTM oil-filled shocks, ESC and receiver combo, DQ transmitter, and an 87-turn Titan motor. So similar to the Chevy, it also features an extended C-channel frame to accommodate the scale hardbody. The Ranger, just like its counterparts, boasts an extended lift kit for added ground clearance, approximately 35% more compared to the Bronco and Defender. This extension also allows for larger tires. Traxxas opted for the 2.4-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Pro XS tires, which we've also seen on the Chevy Cheyenne as well. They are mounted on plastic retro chrome style rims, giving the truck an eye-catching old-school aesthetic. Retaining the same GTM shocks as the rest of the TRX4M lineup, Traxxas achieved the lift through the introduction of long arm suspension links and modified suspension mountings. Notably, it also features headlights and non-functional bed rack lights, an area where we expect Traxxas to release a pro-scale light kit in the future. Additionally, the clear windows allow for an addition of an interior, enhancing the overall look. As what's in the package, like most TRX4Ms, it's ready to run includes transmitter, LiPo battery, standard toolkit, a poster, and the drop trailer hitch. For the scale trailer Traxxas offers, the kit is priced at $174.95, which is about $25 less than the previous TRX4M Bronco and Defender, same price as the Chevy. In terms of handling, given the appearance, it looks a bit narrow and tall, suggesting it might be a bit top heavy and prone to tipping over. However, further testing on the trails will prove a clearer picture. Anticipate Traxxas to continue expanding the TRX4M High Trail lineup, possibly introducing the Blazer body in the future, which is pretty exciting. The TRX4M Ranger is set to hit the shelves on October 27th, and I'm eagerly looking forward to it. I'll be creating more content once I get my hands on one, so stay tuned. What are your thoughts on the new TRX4M Ranger? Are you considering picking one up? Will you be getting one for yourself? Let me know in the comments down below. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, as it really helps the channel out. Until next time.